Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this safe, this home safe that this man sent to me for the video. That I gotta say, so I've been trying it kind of like a little bit to see how it works. I'm gonna show it to you how it works in a few seconds. But this one could be really good for your house for sure, 100%. But also for a store, if you have a store or something like that, this one could be also good because it is quite big. I mean, it's kind of like right there, and the right size is 2 cubic feet, so it's kind of like right there on the size that you may want to use for valuables, for some like jewelry or things like that, for some extra cash for sure, so or things that you want to keep safe in here, and also in a secure place that is not going to be reachable for like kids, for example, if you know what I mean, trying to put some things that they can't use or they shouldn't be supposed to use. So a few things about this one before I show it to you in a close-up. Right here you're gonna find it comes with a fireproof bag, so this one is actually quite good just to have it, just in case. This fireproof bag, you can actually put a few things right here in this bag. It's not super small, it's not either really big, but it's not super small, but it's fireproof. That's the most important thing. Also right here you're gonna find external battery pack, so this one, in case that the batteries inside run out or something like that, you have this one to use and to plug it and just make sure that you don't run out of battery. So this one, keep it on in a kind of like in a reachable place, always to within easy reach, just in case. Instruction manual for sure, just give it a really super. This thing is really easy to set up. And right here you're gonna find it comes with the brackets to mount it on the wall if you want. Just for this one, I mean, for sure you don't want anyone just to come and pick it up and take it away. So if you want, you can mount it to the wall or to drywall or something like that. You can do it with this one. So now let's take a closer look. So 3 ways of accessing this 2 cubic feet safe over here. Number 1, you have the most regular one, the key. You can actually use this one. So now it's going to be all closed. So you open it up just with this and it open. So you can see on the inside comes with a few things that you may like. For example, this soft fabric over here, in case that things that you're putting inside like jewels or something like that, you don't want them to scratch. This is super soft, and it comes with one at the bottom and a shelf over here. But also inside, for like an extra place, it comes with another set of keys. This one, it is a key, nothing else. So you can actually put things in here inside with the same soft fabric, but super nice to have them inside on a separate place. So this one is going to be the place that you want to put things for sure, like double secure. But then let me show you something super cool. Once that you set up your fingerprint over here, let me show you how that one is done. Super easy. You just put your finger over there. It opens right away. So you have that one. And by the way, it also comes right here. You're going to see that it comes with a pocket and some other things right here, like straps to put some other things in here. And to set up the fingerprint, you're going to see a red and a green button over here. You just like press the red button for the fingerprint, the red button, and it's going to give you the chance to put your finger, just make sure that it's red and shows green. So that's going to be red button for, like close that red button is going to be for fingerprint. So now that it's closed, you have the other way to closing to actually open this one up. So you have the panel over here. Let's actually make sure that it's closed. Okay, so it's closed. You have the panel over here, and I'm gonna actually put my password just like that. Oh, it's a 6-digit one. And it's also open right away. So remember, everything right here, 2 cubic feet. You have the soft fabric. You have the extra place for the other key. You have the batteries right here, just to put, remember, 4 batteries. If not, you have the extra pack. You have the red button over here for the fingerprint and the green button for the code. And then for sure, if you don't want to do any of that, you also have the key always just like that. Out of luck, and this one is ready to go. Like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.